Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video is all about how to download Doubtnut app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Doubtnut app in your mobile phone, first go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store. Now you can see the search bar and then type in Doubtnut app. Then you can easily find this app. Now tap the install button. While installing or downloading the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Doubtnut app is India's top and only instant doubt solving platform which gives out instant video solutions to all your physics, chemistry, maths, biology and science doubts. Doubtnut app is free and very useful for the students and teachers as well. Once the app gets installed, you can open it. Click the open button. To operate this app, first you have to choose your language. After that, you have to log in with your phone number, and then you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Doubtnut app on your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Till then, keep watching.